The ocean, a realm of mystery and wonder, is home to creatures of incredible beauty and astonishing adaptations. Among these are the masters of disguise, animals that have evolved remarkable abilities to blend seamlessly with their surroundings or mimic other organisms. These underwater illusionists use camouflage and mimicry not as tricks for entertainment, but as powerful strategies for survival. In the vast and often unforgiving ocean, the ability to disappear or deceive can mean the difference between life and death. From the smallest plankton to the largest whales, deception reigns supreme. Predators use it to ambush unsuspecting prey. Prey in turn rely on it to evade becoming someone's dinner. This intricate dance of deception plays out across coral reefs, through kelp forests, and in the open ocean. Join us as we dive deep into the fascinating world of camouflage and mimicry, uncovering the secrets of these masters of disguise. Camouflage is the art of blending in. It is nature's way of making animals invisible to predators or prey. In the underwater world, where light behaves differently, camouflage is particularly important. It allows animals to become one with their environment, effectively disappearing from view. Imagine a flatfish lying on the seabed. Its speckled skin mirrors the sand and pebbles, making it almost impossible to see. Or picture a shrimp, its transparent body allowing it to vanish into the water column. These are just two examples of the countless ways marine animals use camouflage to their advantage. Camouflage is not just about looking like the background, it's also about breaking up the outline of the body, making it harder for predators to recognize their prey. This is especially important in the open ocean, where there are few places to hide. The ocean's inhabitants have evolved an astounding array of camouflage techniques. One of the most common is background matching. This involves adopting the colors and patterns of the surrounding environment. For example, many fish living among coral reefs sport vibrant, multicolored scales that perfectly match the coral's hues. This makes them virtually invisible to predators lurking nearby. Another technique is disruptive coloration. This involves bold, contrasting patterns that break up the outline of the animal's body. This confuses predators, making it difficult for them to distinguish the animal's shape and size. The zebrasoma, with its stripes and spots, is a prime example of disruptive coloration in action. Countershading is another clever adaptation. Animals with darker backs and lighter bellies utilize this trick. This helps them blend in with the ocean's light gradients. When viewed from above, the dark back blends with the darker depths. From below, the lighter belly matches the brighter surface, effectively masking their presence. Dynamic camouflage takes adaptability to a whole new level. Some animals, like cuttlefish and octopuses, can change their skin color and texture in a matter of seconds. This allows them to match their surroundings perfectly, no matter where they go. Imagine a cuttlefish moving from a sandy bottom to a kelp forest. It can instantly transform its appearance to match its new environment, becoming practically invisible. While camouflage relies on blending in, mimicry is all about standing out for all the wrong reasons. Mimicry is the art of imitation. It involves evolving to resemble another animal or even a plant. This resemblance can be in appearance, behavior, sound, or even smell. In essence, mimics are masters of deception, using their disguises to fool other creatures. This deception can be used for a variety of purposes. Some animals use mimicry to avoid predators, others use it to sneak up on prey, and some even use it to attract mates. Whatever the reason, mimicry is a powerful testament to the ingenuity of evolution. Section 5. Forms of mimicry more than meets the eye. Mimicry, like camouflage, is not a one-size-fits-all strategy. There are different types of mimicry, each with its own unique twist. Batesian mimicry, perhaps the most famous type, occurs when a harmless species evolves to resemble a dangerous or distasteful one. Imagine a harmless snake mimicking the bright colors of a venomous sea snake. Predators, fooled by the resemblance, are more likely to leave the mimic alone. Aggressive mimicry involves a predator mimicking a harmless animal or object to lure unsuspecting prey. The frogfish is a master of this deception. It dangles a fleshy lure that resembles a small fish or shrimp. When a curious fish comes close to investigate, the frogfish strikes with lightning speed, making a meal of the fooled prey. Automimicry is a form of self-mimicry. It involves one part of an animal's body mimicking another part. For example, some fish have eye spots near their tails. This confuses predators, making them more likely to attack the tail instead of the more vulnerable head. This gives the fish a better chance of escaping a potentially fatal encounter. Section 6. The evolutionary arms race, survival of the sneakiest. Camouflage and mimicry are not static adaptations. They are constantly evolving in response to changes in the environment and the behavior of other animals. This ongoing process is often described as an evolutionary arms race. As predators become more adept at detecting camouflaged prey, prey must evolve even better camouflage to survive. This constant pressure to adapt has resulted in some of the most extraordinary examples of camouflage and mimicry on Earth. The mimic octopus, for example, can change its appearance to resemble a variety of venomous animals, including lionfish and sea snakes. This remarkable ability makes it a formidable predator and a master of disguise. The ocean's depths are teeming with examples of this evolutionary arms race. It is a testament to the power of natural selection and the incredible diversity of life on our planet. Section 7. Camouflage superstars and mimicry masters. The ocean is home to a dazzling array of camouflage superstars and mimicry masters. Take, for example, the leafy sea dragon. This fish is a master of disguise, its body adorned with leaf-like appendages that allow it to blend seamlessly with kelp forests. It sways gently with the current, resembling a piece of seaweed drifting in the water. Then there's the decorator crab, a true artist of disguise. This crab covers its shell with algae, sponges and other materials from its environment. This creates a living camouflage that makes it virtually invisible to predators. In the realm of mimicry, the mimic octopus reigns supreme. It can transform its appearance, behavior and even its skin texture to resemble a variety of venomous animals. This remarkable cephalopod can change from a flatfish to a lionfish to a sea snake in a matter of seconds, depending on the threat or the prey it's targeting. These are just a few examples of the incredible diversity of camouflage and mimicry in the ocean. Each species has evolved its own unique adaptations to survive in its particular environment. Section 8. The changing oceans, a threat to disguise. The ocean is not a static environment, it is constantly changing. And these changes are happening at an unprecedented rate due to human activities. Climate change, pollution and habitat destruction are all putting pressure on marine ecosystems, and the adaptations that have served marine animals so well for millennia are now being put to the test. For example, ocean acidification caused by the absorption of excess carbon dioxide from the atmosphere is making it more difficult for some animals to build and maintain their shells and skeletons. This could have implications for camouflaged animals that rely on their shells for protection. Pollution, particularly plastic pollution, is also a growing problem. Plastic debris can resemble natural materials, and some animals may mistake it for food or camouflage material. Ingesting plastic can be fatal, and using it for camouflage could make animals more visible to predators. Habitat destruction, driven by activities such as coastal development and bottom trawling, is also a major threat. As habitats are destroyed or degraded, the delicate balance between camouflage and mimicry can be disrupted. Animals that have evolved to blend in with a particular environment may find themselves exposed and vulnerable in a changed environment. Section 9. Conclusion: preserving the magic of illusion. Camouflage and mimicry are more than just fascinating adaptations. They are essential for the survival of countless marine species. These adaptations are the result of millions of years of evolution, shaping the intricate web of life in our oceans. Understanding these adaptations is crucial for marine conservation. By studying how animals use camouflage and mimicry, we can better understand the threats they face and develop strategies to protect them. As we continue to explore the ocean depths, We are constantly amazed by the ingenuity and resilience of life. The masters of disguise, with their incredible abilities to blend in and deceive, remind us of the power of evolution and the importance of preserving the magic of the natural world. By protecting our oceans and the creatures that call them home, we ensure that these masters of illusion continue to thrive, captivating generations to come with their awe-inspiring adaptations.